Welcome to iSenaMova Tutoring. Under i-mechanics sizokwenza itopic okuthiwa ama-vectors. Umfundi ohlakaniphile useyayibuza ukuthi yini ama-vectors noma yini vector. Ikhona-ke i-definition yama-vectors noma ye-vector ebalulekile-ke nayo ukuthi uyazi-ke for i-exam. Mawudefine i-vector ukuthi a vector quantity is a physical quantity that has both magnitude and direction. Okay, siqale lana-ke. Okokuqala ubuyibuza ukuthi yini vector. Njengamanje now that sengiyakutshela ukuthi yini vector, mhlawumbe usuyayibuza ukuthi yini-ke i-quantity noma i-physical quantity, because ukuze understand i-definition, ukuze understand into kumele u-understand each and every word kwi-definition yaleyo nto leyo. So i-physical quantity-ke inoma yiphi i-property ye-matter noma-ke inoma yini-ke mhlawumbe sike safunda ngayo kwi-physical science, okuwukuthi siyakwazi ukuyi-measure bese siba-ke ne-size yayo ukuthi okay siyi-measure sathola ukuthi ingaka bese siba nama-units ayo. For example, siyakwazi ukusebenzisa lento okuthiwa i-thermometer ukumeasure lento okuthiwa i-temperature. Mhlawumbe sithole ukuthi okay temperature mhlawumbe u-27 degrees Celsius. Lento-ke yenza ukuthi-ke kusho ukuthi i-temperature-ke seyibize nge-physical quantity ngoba siyakwazi ukuyi-measure sithole ukuthi iwu-27 and then ama-units wakhona u-degrees Celsius. Kanjalo futhi mhlawumbe ne-mass ungayicabanga, okay i-mass nayo siyakwazi ukuyi-measure sothola ukuthi mhlawumbe u-70 kilograms. Okusho ukuthi-ke nayo i-mass iyi-physical quantity ngoba iyinto esikwaziyo ukuyi-measure sithole ukuthi u-70 and then ibe nama-units futhi ayo. Kanjalo ne-speed siyakwazi mhlawumbe ukusi-measure sithole ukuthi okay mhlawumbe u-20 meters per second. Okusho ukuthi i-speed naso siyi-physical quantity ngoba siyakwazi ukusi-measure sithole ukuthi siwu-20 bese sithola nama-units akhona. Ama-physical quantities izinto ey'kanjalo. But-ke aba-classified-ke lama-physical quantities-ke into ama-vectors-ke. Kuyenzeka i-physical quantity siyibize nge-vector, kuyenzeka futhi i-physical quantity-ke ingabi vector. Kodwa-ke iyini i-vector? I-vector i-physical quantity ena both magnitude and direction. I-magnitude iyi-size lento le oyitholayo uma umeasure, and then i-direction ukuthi iya kuphi, iya up, iya down, iya to the left, iya to the right, or wherever-ke lapho engaya khona. So for example, let's say mhlambe sithatha i-force. I-force nayo iyi-physical quantity ngoba siyakwazi ukuyi-measure. Mhlambe sithole ukuthi iwu-20 newtons for example i-force yethu. So if iwu-20 newtons i-force yethu mhlambe kungaba ukuthi-ke to the right for example. So if sino-20 newtons to the right, lo 20 newtons lona iwona size we-force yethu, in other words iyona magnitude. Angithi uyabona. And then lo to the right usho ukuthi-ke lo 20 newtons simusa ngakuphi, simusa to the right, okusho ukuthi lena-ke iyona direction yethu. To the right iyona direction. Leyo nto-ke yenza ukuthi-ke kusho ukuthi-ke lento le engiyibhalelana ibe yi-vector quantity. Iyawamitha ama-requirements okubizwa nge-vector quantity. Why? Because ina both magnitude and direction. I-vector quantity is a physical quantity that has both magnitude and direction. Kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi ukwazi lokho uma ukuthi mhlambe babuza i-definition ye-vector quantity kube ukuthi uyazi ukuthi a physical quantity usuyazi ngithi ukuthi i-physical quantity yini that has both magnitude and direction. So ungacabanga-ke mhlawumbe ukuthi okay njengoba-ke kuwukuthi-ke sinento okuthiwa i-vector quantity ena both magnitude and direction, mhlawumbe akhona ama-physical quantity-ke angawona ama-vector quantity. Yes, akhona ama-physical quantities angawona ama-vector quantity. Lawo ma-physical quantities lawo abizwa ngama-scalar quantities. So uma ukuthi ayiyona i-vector quantity izoba i-scalar quantity. Okuwukuthi-ke i-scalar quantity-ke by definition a physical quantity that has magnitude only. So uma sikhuluma nge-scalar quantity-ke sikhuluma nge-physical quantity ene-magnitude kuphela. Remember i-magnitude size lokho ukuthi mhlambe 20 newtons for example, noma mhlambe 2 kilograms, noma mhlambe 30 degrees Celsius. I-magnitude le esisuke sikhuluma ngayo. Awakhohlwa-ke njalo ama-units kuyo i-magnitude. I-magnitude size together with ama-units, and then i-direction ukuthi-ke iya to the right noma iya to the left, iya up noma iya down. I hope niyayithola leyo nto. Usungacabanga-ke mhlawumbe ukuthi okay, kungenzeka ukuthi mhlawumbe for example sine-mass, mabebuza i-mass akwenzeki kuthiwa 2 grams mhlawumbe noma 2 kilograms up, kuvele kube nje 2 kilograms if ku 2 kilograms i-mass. Mhlawumbe singacabanga ukuthi okay, kungenzeka ukuthi i-mass iyi-scalar quantity, but kithi sibheka ama-examples wawo ama-vector quantities nawo ama-scalar quantities. Okay, one of ama-vector quantities-ke esike safunda ngawo noma esizofunda ngawo, eyokuqala i-force. I-force iyi-vector quantity. Why? Because i-force ina both magnitude and direction. So siba ne-force as one of ama-examples ama-vector quantities. Icabangisise i-force. I-force, remember, is a push or pull. Okusho ukuthi into uma ngiyiphusha kumele vele kube ne-direction ukuthi okay, ngiyiphusha ngamandla amangaka noma ngiyiphusha nge-force engaka, but ngiyisa kuphi? Ngiyisa phambili noma ngiyisa kuphi? Ngiyayidonsa ngiyiletha ngakima. Ngithi uyabo kune-direction yapho lapho, noma ngiyayiphakamisa ngiyisa phezulu, kusho ukuthi ngiyimova up leyo nto leyo kune-direction, okuwukuthi ngiyimova ngamandla amangaka, okungaba yi-force leyo, i-magnitude yayo-ke kusho ukuthi, and then i-direction ngiyisa phezulu if ngiyisa phezulu, ngiyisa phansi if ngiyisa phansi. So icabange ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi okay, iqiniso ukuthi i-force iyi-vector quantity. Enye i-vector quantity mhlawumbe singayibheka i-velocity. I-velocity. I-velocity-ke by definition is the rate of change of acceleration, okuwukuthi-ke ishintsha kanjani-ke i-acceleration. But-ke mhlawumbe ngingayi-ke kwi-definition ye-velocity deeper, but i-velocity siyazi ukuthi bakhuluma ukuthi mhlawumbe for example a car is traveling at 2 meters to the right, for example. So sino 2 meters per second, ngenza i-mistake la kwi-unit. A car is traveling at 2 meters per second to the right, for example. So if it travels at 2 meters per second, that is the magnitude. To the right, that is the direction. So i-velocity ke i-vector quantity ngaleyo ndlela leyo. Enye futhi vector quantity i-displacement. Displacement. So i-displacement ke nayo i-vector quantity. I-displacement, remember, ilento ewukuthi ke uthatha i-object uyayimuva from la to the next point. Okusho ukuthi uma ukuthi ngiyayimuva ke from la to la mhlambe u20 meters. Okusho ukuthi ngiyimuve u20 meters to the right. I-displacement into kanjalo. Ukudisplace ke ukuyisusa lapha displace khona into bese uyiplace kwenye indawo. So kuyadependa ukuthi uyiplace kuphi. Uma ukuthi bilana wase wayisa phambili, kusho ukuthi shifte whatever distance to leyo direction ekhomba ukuthi phambili kungapha. Makuthi uyise emuva futhi kusho ukuthi uyishifte lawo ma units lawo backwards noma lawo ma meters lawo backwards. So i-displacement nayo iyi-vector quantity ke ngaleyo ndlela leyo. I hope niyayithola. Kubalulekile ukuthi wazi ama-examples wama-vector quantities kanjalo nawo ama-scalar quantities. Another example mhlambe ekungaba yokugcina ke kulawe engizokunikeza wona, but maningi ama-vector quantities, but ngizokunikeza only 4. Enye i-acceleration. So masikhuluma nge-acceleration ke sikhuluma nge-vector quantity because i-acceleration ina both magnitude and direction. Remember i-definition ye-vector quantity, a physical quantity that has both magnitude and direction. So ne-acceleration inayo magnitude okuwukuthi mhlambe 2 meters per second squared. Remember my unit acceleration meters per second squared. So mabethi 2 meters per second squared bakhuluma nge-magnitude ye-acceleration. Masebethi direction to the right, for example. So i-vector quantity ke nayo i-acceleration. Sisibheke ama-scalar quantities. One example of i-scalar quantity singayibheka i-distance. I-distance ayinayo i-direction. Kufana nokuthi mhlawumbe mabe ngathi ukusuka la mhlawumbe uye KZN njengoba ngise Johannesburg nje, ukusuka la uye KZN kuyi-distance engakanani. Akunendaba-ke lapho ukuthi i-direction ithini. Babuza nje i-distance ukuthi ingakanani. Uzosho ukuthi ubani kilometers. If ku-500 kilometers, kusho ukuthi 500 kilometers. I hope niyayithola leyo nto leyo. And then enye i-scalar quantity is-speed. I-speed isicishe sifaniso ne-velocity, but i-speed siyi-scalar quantity. Ngendlela ukuthi awukwazi ukuba ne-direction ukhuluma nge-speed. Kufana nokuthi i-speed mhlawumbe ungabuza imoto ukuthi le moto lena i-speed sayo sigcina kubani. Mhlawumbe sigcina ku-260 kilometers per hour. U-260 kilometers per hour awuna direction, it's just i-speed ukuthi igcina ku-200 kilometers per hour. Hayi ukuthi uzothola i-speed sale moto sigcina ku-200 kilometers per hour to the right. No, ayihambi kanjalo. I-speed asinayo i-direction. I hope uyayithola leyo nto leyo. Every time ma urefera to i-speed semoto vele uthi le moto igcina ku-300 kilometers per hour, awubusayisho i-direction. Ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ungayikhumbula ngaleyo ndlela. Enye i-scalar quantity futhi example ye-scalar quantity esingaba nayo i-mass. I-mass ayinayo i-direction. Kusho ukuthi i-physical quantity that has magnitude only. Okuwukuthi i-mass isisindo sento. Ukuthi lento lena isinda kangaka mhlambe ngino 30 kg kanje. Njengempuphu mhlambe impuphu 12.5 kg maize meal angithi uyabona. Mabethi 12.5 kg bakhuluma nge-mass yaleyo maize meal leyo. Ayikho into yokuthi 12.5 kg up noma mhlambe lempuphu u12.5 kg to the right. I hope uyayithola leyo nto. So i-mass ungayicabanga ngaleyo ndlela leyo. Another scalar quantity ke singaba ne-temperature. I-temperature nayo iyi-scalar quantity. Temperature ayinayo i-direction. Into yokuthi mawukuthi kuyashisa nje mhlambe kusasa lizobe liwubani konje amazinga okushisa kuzobe ku-30 degrees Celsius. Akukho ukuthi kusasa kuzobe kushisa ku-30 degrees Celsius to the right. So i-temperature ungayicabanga ngaleyo ndlela ukuyenzisa isense ukuthi ngempela iyi-scalar quantity. Yiwo kama-examples ke lawa wama-vector and scalar quantities. So mawukuthi mhlambe for example ke ngikhuluma nge-vector, kuzomele ke ngibe nendlela yokuyi-representa i-vector. Remember i-vector i-physical quantity that has both magnitude and direction. So i-vector eya to the right ayifani ne-vector eya to the left ngoba la sikhuluma ngama-direction angafana. Ngithi uyayithola leyo nto leyo. So kune-representation ke yama-vectors. Kuma-examples wami ke wonke ngizokusebenzisa ke i-force as the example of i-vector. Throughout i-lesson ngizolokhu ngisebenzisa i-force, but ne-velocity i-vector quantity, displacement i-vector quantity, acceleration i-vector quantity, namanye kama-vector quantities. But ngicela ukuthi ngilokhu ngisebenzisa i-force. Ngifuna ukukuvezela-ke i-representation yayo i-vector quantity. I-vector quantity ikwazi ukurepresenteka ngey'ndlela eziwu-2. Okay, indlela yokuqala-ke singayirepresenta ngayo i-vector singayirepresenta in writing. So mangithi ke in writing ngisho ukuthi singayirepresenta ngokuthi mhlambe let's say isikhuluma ngo2 newtons to the right. So u2 newtons to the right in writing ingaba u2 newtons to the right njengoba ngisho. So kanjalo ke ngirepresentile ke le vector yami in writing ngoba ngino 2 newtons to the right engimbhalile. Ikhona kodwa enye indlela futhi yokurepresenta i-vector quantity. Indlela yes2 yokurepresenta i-vector quantity eyokuyirepresenta graphically. So mangithi graphically ngisho ukuthi in drawing njengokuthi mhlawumbe ungaba nento kanje. Bese sithi mhlambe ke lento lena ke irepresenta let's say mhlambe u2 newtons. Now lo 2 newtons engiqeda ukumbhala urepresented kule drawing le oyibonayo njengamanje la. Okuwukuthi ke njengoba ngidrawe le body lena yale arrow and then ngase ngadraw i-arrowhead. I-body lena ukusuka la uza la kurepresenta i-magnitude okuwukuthi ke kusho ukuthi If ku-3 newtons kusho ukuthi le body yale arrow irepresenta u-3 newtons. If ku-5 newtons kusho ukuthi le body yale arrow irepresenta u-5 newtons. And then i-arrow head njengoba ubona ibheke le, okusho ukuthi ibheke to the right. Angithi uyabona. Mangathiwa mhlambe i-arrow head yami ibibheke le la kanje, kusho ukuthi bengizobe ngisho ukuthi to the left. I hope niyayithola leyo nto le. Uyakwazi ukuyirepresenta kanjalo i-vector using i-graphical representation noma kuyirepresenta ke graphical njengoba ngikuvezela la. So ziwu2 ke indlela zokurepresenta ama-vectors. Mhlawumbe ungawufaka ku-2 newtons lana akunankinga, but ke into esayibe kanjalo. So ama-vectors ke siwarepresenta ngeindlela eziwu2 in writing siphinde siwarepresente graphical. But ke into engithanda ukuyi-highlighta ke la ekurepresenteni ama-vectors graphical mhlawumbe kungawukuthi ke masingathatha for example na i-vector yethu yokuqala bese kuba i-arrowhead yakhona, na i-vector yethu yesi2 bese kuba i-arrowhead yakhona. Uyabona ukuthi sinama-vectors awu2 lana. Lama-vectors awu2 athi to the right masithi siyawabheka, but asikwazi ukuthi sithi thina for example mhlambe lona wokuqala u2 newtons to the right bese sithi nalo wesi2 u2 newtons to the right. Ngobani? Ngithe mina ibody lena irepresenta the magnitude, okuwukuthi usho ukuthi maku2 newtons lona awukwazi bese uthi nalo u2 newtons. Uyabona ukuthi le line lena noma le body le inde kakhulu compared to le ka2 newtons. Okusho ukuthi mhlambe ngawu for example mhlambe u3 newtons noma ku4 newtons. Angazi ke mhlambe ukuthi singathi ubani ke mase ukuthi sibuka lama nakhonja o2 ukuthi mhlambe le e2 newtons ungayiphinda kangaki mhlambe ukuze kuphumele mhlambe sithi u3 newtons for example. Ihamba kanjalo ke lento le. Kuba ukuthi ke iyayenza sense i-graphical representation yakhe, ukwazi ukuveza ama-vectors angalingani ama-body wama-arrows wakhona bese uthi wena lawo ma-vectors ama-vectors afanayo noma ama-vectors ane-magnitude efanayo. I hope niyayithola leyo nto le. Ibaluleke kakhulu ke leyo nto ukuthi mhlambe siyi-understande ukuze si-understande ama-vectors, because in most cases mhlambe kuzokwenza ukuthi bafuna ukuthi uwa-represente graphically. I hope niyayithola leyo nto. Kubaluleke kakhulu ke lokho. So mawukuthi mhlambe let's say ngine-vector ekanje, bese ngiba ne-vector ekanje. Mhlambe lama-vectors ami owu2 engabukeka elingana. Let's say yes vele awu2 newtons owu2. So ngino2 newtons lana, ngino2 newtons la. Angikwazi kodwa ukuthi le vector lena le vector le i-vector eyodwa. Why ngengikwazi ukuthi this is the same vector? Ingoba i-vector, remember, a physical quantity that has both magnitude and direction. Buka ukuthi akuyona i-vector yodwa ngempela. Le yokuqala mangayirepresenta in writing, remember ngithe ama-vectors ngikwazi ukurepresenta in writing nokurepresenta graphical. So mangathi mina le, okay, ithi ngiqale ngale u2 newtons lena to the right, iqiniso lelo. Bese lo kuba u2 newtons southeast, mawukuthi uyawazi ke ama direction in terms of i-compass. Uyabona ukuthi u-southeast lona. Ngenza i-mistake mangithi u-southeast yo, kusho ukuthi mina ngiwazi ke ama direction, u-northeast, northeast. Angithi uyabona ke in writing manje lento isi-suggest ukuthi lama vectors owu2 awafani, ngoba in writing lena i2 newtons kodwa oya kuphi northeast, lona u2 newtons oya kuphi to the right. Angithi uyabo. So asikwazi ukuthi sithi ke ama vectors afanayo lawa. Kuyafana nokuthi mhlambe uma bengasinikeza into kanje besinikeze ama vectors okuwukuthi mhlambe i-magnitude yakhona iyafana. For example mhlambe mangaba nento kanje kuba ukuthi mhlambe lona nalo bane magnitude efanayo, lona kube mhlambe ukuthi uyale, lo kube ukuthi uyale. Okay, mhlambe lo sithi u2 newtons nalo sithi u2 newtons, but lo 2 newtons lo wokuqala akafani nalo 2 newtons lo wesi2, ngoba lo 2 newtons wokuqala uthini to the right, lo 2 newtons wesi-2 uthini to the left. Ukuze ama-vectors sithi ama-vectors are-equal, kumele kube ukuthi are-equal in both magnitude and direction. Yes, ama-magnitude walama-vectors lawa ayafana, kusho ukuthi lama-vectors are only equal in magnitude, but ngesike sisho ukuthi ama-vectors alinganayo noma afanayo ngoba awafani in both magnitude and direction. I hope niyayithola leyo nto leyo. Mhlambe mangathiwa sithi dive deeper ke into ama-vectors. Remember, njengoba sikhuluma ngama-vectors sikhuluma ngama-forces, okuwukuthi ama-forces ke a-acta kuma-objects. Okusho ukuthi singakwazi ukubuka ama-vectors in terms of ke being ama-forces, ngoba ngithe ngizokwenza ke manje i-example noma wonke ama-examples wami ngithatha ngokuthi ke sikhuluma nge-vector eyi-force. I-force ke is a push or pull. Okusho ukuthi singaba ne-scenario lapho khona ke sinama-forces noma sine-force ke e-acta kwi-object mhlambe eyi-1 noma sibeke nama-forces awu-2 a-acta kwi-object futhi eyi-1. I hope niyayithola leyo nto. Kungenzeka futhi sibe nama-forces awu-3 a-acta kwi-object futhi eyi-1. For example, let's say uphusha i-desk. Okay, uyaliphusha ke liyaphusheka. Kusho ukuthi lapho sine-force eyi-1 e-acta kule object okuyi-desk, angithi uyabona. Kusho ukuthi ke singaba ne-magnitude yaleyo force okuwukuthi ke ilamandla wa-apply edeskini mawuliphusha. Sibe ne-direction futhi ukuthi uliphusha ulisa ngakuphi i-desk, angithi uyabona. Futhi kungenzeka kube ukuthi ke mhlambe for example let's say awunawo amandla okuliphusha, invite umngane wakho ukuthi nizoliphusha leli desk. Okusho ukuthi manje sesinama-forces awu-2 a-actayo kulo leli desk lela, angithi uyabona. Okuwukuthi force yakho ne-force kamngane wakho niphusha i-desk. I-force yakhe ine-magnitude whatever newtons, i-force kamngane wakhe ine-magnitude whatever newtons to whatever ke direction enphusha i-desk kuyo. I hope niyayithola leyo nto leyo. Kungenzeka futhi nize nibe bawu-3. Kungenzeka futhi omunye liphushe i-desk elise kwa-right, omunye elise kwa-left. So sesingabuka ke mhlambe manje ukuthi okay, kusho ukuthi ke singakwazi ukuthi add ama-vectors noma mhlambe sibuke ukuthi okay ithini i-effect yama-forces kamaningi a-actayo kwi-object eyi-1. In other words, siyakwazi ukuwa-adda ama-vectors njengoba sikwazile ukuwa-representa in writing, sikwazile ukuwa-representa graphically, siyakwazi even nokuwa-adda. Kubalulekile lokho ukuthi ukwazi ke mhlambe ngizokunikeza ama-examples ke lapho khona si-adda ama-vectors khona.